Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we from Group Bank Islam will explain more the detail about the product that we've choose from Bank Islam, which is saving account. So we hope this information will help to understanding more about the saving account that provide by the Bank Islam. Enjoy watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ASMA ULHUSNA binti Muhammad JAFFERI 263376. Firstly, we are agreed to choose a saving account as our products to be discussed in the video and in the reports. Definition of saving accounts. There are a few accounts under Islamic deposit including a saving account. Saving accounts are among the types of deposit account offered under the banking business. In general, saving account can be defined as a form of deposit which is allow the customers as account holders to set aside some amount of money for his future needs. For this video, we are focusing on saving accounts offered under Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad (BIMB). BIMB, which is the business conduct based on the Islamic principles, also offer saving accounts to its customers. The customer who save their money in the banks are all known as a depositors, and each depositor is guaranteed up to RM250,000 for each banking institutions under Perbadanan Insurans Deposit Malaysia or PIDM. There are two types of saving accounts offered by BIMB, including a court saving account I and term deposit I. In the court saving accounts, BIMB, Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad, guarantee that the payment of the total sum or any part of outstanding in the account of customer is the customer demand for the money in the accounts. Moreover, bank as an intermediary party have the rights to use the money that deposits by the customer as the customer give the consent for them to use that. Meanwhile, for the term deposit, this type of saving accounts involve the concept of tawaruk, which is the consists of two sales and purchase contracts. Term deposit I offers with a fixed profit rate, where the profits gained through the commodity purchase and the sales through the commodities. The return will be earned by the customer based on the upfront profit rates at the point of sale. Then, I pass to the next presenter for the next part.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazifah binti Nazir. My matric number is 63808. So I will present on Sharia concept of the product. So the product that have been chosen is saving account from the Bank Islam. So they have two types of Sharia concept for this product, which is the first is court. So since the Bank Islam offer court saving account facility for the customer to save their money, so based on the court contract, the facility provide hassle and free safekeeping for their customer and allow them to access for withdrawal whenever they need. And the second one is mudarabah. So for a mudarabah concept, the deposit primarily based totally on mudarabah agreement or income sharing concept. On a quarterly basis, a draw should be achieved and cash prize will be paid to the winner.
Assalamualaikum. My name is ULHUSNA binti NORHISHAM and my matric number is 261280. Now I will present about how the product important to community. First, generally, Bank Islam has provided two types of saving account, which is namely card saving account and basic saving account. These two types of saving account has different benefits, which is for card saving account provide benefits such as free saving passbook, bank card facilities, salary crediting and sweeping facility. Bank Islam also offer an electronic banking facilities such as ATM, tap mobile banking and e-debit. Meanwhile, for basic saving account provide benefits such as minimum service, which has cash deposit, ATM and over the counter, which is OTC withdrawals, fund travel and bill payment facilities, and also provide internet banking, ATM withdrawal via maps and others. However, these two types of saving account is important to community, which is first, it helped the community to create an emergency fund. Saving account act as a place to save money for emergency funds. Money is safer to keep in saving accounts than having a cash in your hands because money kept in saving account is safer and rarely used. Therefore, this account can also be used as a place to keep money for emergency purpose, as unforeseen event can happen at any time, such as being involved in car accidents, medical expenses, and others. Saving account liquidity allows the community to withdraw their saving at any time. The amount of money kept in saving account allows community to be free from debt when faced with an emergency situation. For the next point, asset protection. Asset kept in saving accounts will be free from any effects arising from market fluctuations. For example, if a community invests their money in real estate, bonds, and stocks, it is likely that the community will get a much higher return on investment compared to saving account. The investment will be affected by unforeseen circumstances, in which communities will withdraw their investment due to lower returns or losses. Keeping money in a saving account will prevent the occurrence of losses that the community has to face through forced investment withdrawals. Moving to the third point, which is self-determination from credit. Saving accounts allow people to achieve their financial goals without involve any loans. Unexpected things can happen anytime, such as being involved in car accident, having a chronic illness, and also dying at a young age, causing society to need money to pay for unplanned expenses. Having a saving account makes money easily available. Society does not have to rely on credit to fund unexpected expenses every time an unplanned event occurs. And lastly, cash is accessible. Saving accounts are among the most liquid account options cash. If the community wants to withdraw money, they can use ATM to withdraw money. ATM also allow people to get money from their accounts in a short period of time. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is SHAFFILA binti BSHARUDIN. Matric number is 262912. For my part, I will explain detail about the features and characteristics of the product. The first feature of the product is provide hassle-free safekeeping, also known as safe deposit. It is storage of asset or other variable in a protected area. So this cause many individuals choose to keep financial asset in BINB saving. The second feature and characteristic of the product is provide free saving passbook. A passbook saving account is a type of saving account that allow depositor to earn competitive interest rate, and it is equipped with a physical notebook called a passbook that help depositor track the flow of funds in and out of the account. The third feature of the product is bank card facilities. Current account and saving account is a bank card facility offered by Islamic bank saving account from Wadi'ah Yad Damamah, which is saving contract, to card, which is loan contract. Current account and saving account tend to be a cheaper way for bank to raise money than issue term deposit, such as certificate of deposit, which offer higher interest rate to customer. The fourth feature of the product is provide PIDM protected. PIDM is a regulatory body that offer protection against loss of deposit and takaful premium or reward for its member organisation. PIDM is fully funded by fees of levies imposed on its member institution, and it also does not receive any government fund. Lastly is sweeping facilities. The sweeping facilities allow a bank to transfer a sum of money in excess of the amount set by its customer from the customer saving account to the sweeper deposit. Deposit fee rate vary from 1 year to 5 years, and interest rate also vary. But in general, the amount transferred tend to give a customer a higher rate.
I will continue how to apply and subscribe the product. Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad has reached new milestone in its digitalization journey by becoming the first bank in Malaysia to launch a mobile onboarding MBO channel for retail customers, which offer the first end-to-end account opening experience in Malaysia, including on-the-spot issuance of debit card via appointment. New MOD door-to-door banking service will speed up the account opening process and allow for the immediate account number and debit card issuance. Customers will no longer be required to visit their nearest physical branch for verification under the new service. MBO uses specially built tablet that can be used to open a variety of current and saving accounts, as well as Al-Afwa and Eigen investment account. During the ongoing pandemic and movement control order (MCO), the aims to provide customer with comfort and versatility while also offering a secure and reliable banking experience. MOB will take just 6 minutes and it's completely free to complete the customer account opening process. The appointment only available from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday according to the government standard operating procedure SOP. Customer can make an appointment for the service by filling out the Bank Islam online contact form at Bank Islam website, and the representative from Bank Islam will contact them to confirm the request. During the visit, customer will only need to bring their My Card and any other required document. Next is eligibility. Eligible person who can open this account is a Malaysian citizen and permanent resident. Minimum opening for this account is only RM20 and the minimum balance RM20. For the age requirement is open to all. Types of account for individual, joint and trust for children below 12 years old to be opened with parent or legal guardian. Next is about fees and charges. Option on ATM charges. First, an annual charge. The application will be processed as usual where RM8 ringgit will be charged. Number 2, no annual fee. 8 free ATM withdrawals in a month. Any withdrawals exceeding 8 times in a month will be charged at RM50 cent per ATM withdrawals. Number 3, Max IBG. All BSA holders will enjoy a service charge on only RM50 cent for the first 2 transactions for MAPS IBG. Number 4, yearly closure of account. Early closure of account within 3 months of account opening will be charged RM20 per account. Number 5, cash withdrawal via MAPS. Any cash withdrawal at ATM owned by other financial institution under MAPS will be charged RM1 per transaction.
So I will continue explaining the modus operandi of the product. So first, the customer will deposit their money to the Bank Islam based on the contract of Mudharabah. And the second, the bank will invest the money to the activities that permitted by Sharia. So from the investment, the bank will gain the funds from the investments. And the second, and the fourth, the bank will pay the profit to the customer on the monthly basis. And the bank also will conduct the prize draw on a quarterly basis. So the draw winner will receive a cash prize from the bank share of the profit generated by the investment based on Mudharabah fund.
Next, we move to the target community. Who are the group of people that we are aims to watch the video? The target community for this video is young pupils, including students. With the benefit obtained along with no strict condition in order to open a saving accounts, these promoting videos are considered suitable to be shown to the young pupils. In this context, young people are more vulnerable to set aside some amount of their money as their emergency funds with the benefits offered by the banks. Along with the targeting young generation to view this video, YouTube and Instagram will be used as a main platform in order to display this video. This video will be uploaded on the most popular platform visited by the young generations in order to expose them regarding the saving accounts under Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad.